The weekly code quiz. When you are writing a file path for the source attribute for the image element, how do you express going into a folder or down a level? The / placed before the folder name. For example, /images/imagename.image file type or /images/sampleimage.jpg. When you are writing a file path for the source attribute for the image element, how do you express coming out of a folder or going up a level? The / preceded by 2 dots, placed before the folder name. For example, /pages/assets/images/imagename.image file type or /pages/assets/images/sampleimage.jpg. What was the old method of controlling the width and height of an image? By adding the width and height attributes to your image element. Old method. Image element. Source equals image.jpg in quotation marks. Alt equals a sample image in quotation marks. Title equals image in quotation marks. Width equals 500 in quotation marks. Height equals 600 in quotation marks. When using this method, how are we noting the size? In pixels. So for example, 500 pixels in width and 600 pixels in height. What is the new and preferred method to control the width and height of an image? The new and preferred method is to adjust these attributes in the CSS or cascading style sheets. New method. HTML. Image element. Source equals image.jpg in quotation marks. Alt equals a sample image in quotation marks. Title equals image in quotation marks. CSS. Image selector. Open bracket, width, 500 pixels, semicolon, height, 600 pixels, semicolon, close bracket. Presented by Designers Learn Code.